Uh, so in this video we would like to explain you about the right join in SQL. Right join in SQL, if you consider these two tables, namely table 2 and table 1, if you apply right join in SQL, it will select all the columns from the table 2 and the corresponding matching record from the table 1. So the area which is highlighted in dark would be selected if you apply right join or right outer join in table 2 and table 1. Now consider these two tables, namely orders and employees table, which have these three records, that is with 5 columns, namely order ID, customer ID, employee ID, order date and shipment ID, with 3 records rows as 10456, 10457, 10458 are the corresponding orders ID. Customer ID is 245 and 54, employee ID 639, and order date as 18 September 1968, 19 September 1996 and 20th September 1996, and shipment ID is 3, 1 and 2, with employees table as which has corresponding 5 rows, that is employee ID, last name, first name, birth date and photo, with employee ID is 1, 2 and 3, Davidson, Fuller and Rahul, and first name as Nancy, Andrews and Janet, and birthdays as 12th of August 1968, 19th of February 1954 and 30th of August 1963, with photos as employee ID pics. So if you apply right join in these two tables, it will select orders.order ID, employees.last name, employee.first name from orders right join employees on orders.employee ID. Orders.employee ID is equals to employee.employee ID order by orders.order ID. So it will select all the values from employees table and the corresponding matching record from the orders table which satisfy this condition, that is which have their employee ID in the orders table have the corresponding employee ID matching with the records in the employee table. So when you apply right join in these two tables, the output which would be displayed would be 3. Since we are displaying 3 columns, it would be order ID, last name and first name, and the correspondingly the output would be displayed in the increasing order of order ID. So Davidson, Nancy, since it do not have a corresponding employee ID matching in the orders table, so the value order ID value would be null in case of Davidson, Nancy. In case of Fuller, Andrews, the order ID would be null, and in case of Rahul, Janet, since the employee ID is 3 which is there present in the order ID table, so the corresponding order ID would be displayed, that is 10457. So the output which would be displayed would be this. So if you find these concepts of right join interesting in SQL, then please like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for further videos on cross join and normalization. And if you have any doubts regarding any of these concepts of right join, you can drop in the comments below. I will surely try to review the comments and provide you with the appropriate feedback. Thanks.